Over the past 8 years, ConocoPhillips and Ducks Unlimited have enhanced over 800 acres in the greater Golden Meadow area, bringing habitat enhancement and further resiliency and protection to the surrounding community.
Partnerships are going to be incredibly important to solve the tremendous challenges we have on our coast. And I think when we put together oil and gas companies, service companies like Danos, and innovative companies like Natrx, we can bring those pieces together to create solutions to protect and restore our coast.
Just underneath this line of PVC safety markers here are the world's first Cajun Coral Installation. So we have 3D advanced concrete oyster reef modules that are designed to grow a fringe of oysters at the very edge of that wetland interface.
The Shell GameChanger program is investing in startup companies looking at that new technology. So Natrx was selected as Shell GameChanger. It was an innovative solution to looking at coastal erosion issues, not only protection, but also just the way of life for all of us.
With Cajun Coral, we like to look for what we call dual use opportunities. And that's where Cajun Coral provides a protective benefit to the community, but also provides positive environmental outcomes.
This is a lot of things that people don't get to see how beautiful it is. This is investing in our home. This is investing in our community. This becomes part of our backyard.
So I've been personally very inspired by the partnerships in South Louisiana between the oil and gas industry, conservation groups, and local communities. It's amazing to see them rally around the cause of coastal protection to solve the issues that we face today.
It's important to do these types of projects because it's our backyard. It means something to the surrounding communities and the resiliency of coastal Louisiana.